Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Eng.Med Modern School. So in the previous video we have just started the new chapter, that was chapter number 5, acids, base and salts. Okay students, in that we have seen some of the things that I am just revising these things. See here, first of all we have seen its introduction. In the introduction we have seen that what are acids and what are bases. In that we have seen the what are acids means the substance that tastes sour contains a chemical called acid, and that are lemon juice and raw mango. And similarly the substance that are bitter in taste are called base, and the substance that does not contain acid or base, they are neutral. Okay students, and we have seen some acidic substance. In the that was acid substance that contains acids are called acidic substance, and we have seen example lemon, terminade and romango are all acidic substance. And acid can be classified into two types, that are mineral acids, and one is mineral acid and second is organic acid. So first of all, what are mineral acids? See here, acids that are made from organic material minerals are called mineral acid. Means the acid which are made from the inorganic minerals are known as mineral acids. They are commonly used in laboratory, that is hydrochloric acid, HCl, sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, and nitric acid, that is HNO3. And now we will see some of the organic acids. The acids that are occur naturally in plants and animals are organic acids. Okay students, so here are some of the examples. I am reading that examples, that is tartaric acid, grapes, acetic acid in vinegar, formic acid in sting of ants and bees, malic acid in apple, citric acid in lemon and oranges, lactic acid in milk and oxalic acid in Spanish. Okay students, these are some of the organic acids and their sources. And then we have seen some of the properties of acids. The first property was acid are sour in taste. Okay students, and we have seen the acids are highly reactive and therefore corrosive in nature. So they are also stored in the glass bottle. And next point, we have seen most acids can be dissolved in water either at room temperature or on heating. The example we have seen was vinegar. Vinegar is a solution of 3 to 5% of the acetic acid in water. If we add acetic acid 3 to 5% in water, means if we take 100 ml of water, in that we have to what do 3 to 5 ml we have to add acetic acid, then we get the vinegar. And then we have seen the dilute and concentrated acids. In that an acidic solution can be dilute or concentrated depending upon whether or not it contains water. An example which the quantity of the water is more are called dilute acid, and the acid in which the quantity of water is less is called concentrated acid. See, we have seen that some of the example. Let us see some other example. See here, if I take HCl 10 gram and water 90 gram, okay students, then it is concentrated or dilute. First of all, write by your own, then I am writing the answer. And if we take HCl 20 gram and water 80 gram, okay students, and the another one is C, that is if we take HCl 90 gram and water 10 gram, and also if we take HCl 80 gram and water 20 gram. So first of all write the answers, then after I am writing. So firstly in this the acid is, there is the acid grams are low, then it is diluted. I am writing in short diluted, okay students. And here also the acid is low in weight, so here also it is diluted. And moving towards next, then here the concentrated the acid are more and water is less, so it is concentrated, okay students. And here also the acid gram is more and water is less, so it is also concentrated, okay students. If you want to write this another examples, you can write. And the another examples, then we have seen strong and weak acids. See here, the strong acids, they are highly corrosive and reactive and should be handled carefully. In case of accidental spillage on the skin, strong acids can cause several burns. They also react with metals such as iron, zinc and magnesium. That is why they are stored in glassware. Mineral acids such as sulfuric acid, nitric acid and hydrochloric acid are strong acid, and weak acids on the other hand are not reactive or corrosive as strong acid. Organic acids such as acetic acid, citric acid and lactic acid are weak acids. Carbonic acid is an example of the weak acid. Interestingly, it is also a mineral acid. It is found in the soft drinks and soft soda water. Okay students, and now we will see some of the uses of these acids. Now we will see the uses of the acids. So now we will see one by one the uses of the acids. Let us see that uses of acids. So firstly we will discuss about the hydrochloric acid. Okay students, firstly we will discuss about the hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. Okay students, see here, reading some of the examples, some of the uses of that in points. Dilute hydrochloric acid is used to remove deposits from the inner surface of the large industrial boiler. This process is known as descaling. So this dilute hydrochloric acid is used to clean the boilers. In the boilers, at the surface of the boiler, some of these deposits are there, so to remove that the dilute hydrochloric acid is used. And another one is, it is also present in the sanitary ware cleaners that are used to clean sinks, sanitary wares and floors. We all know that the sanitary wares means detergents, some of the detergents, then we all know that Harpic and all these things contains the acids. Okay students, and hydrochloric acid is used to purify the common salt. See, hydrochloric acid is also used to purify, means purification of common salt is done by the hydrochloric acid. And the another one is sulfuric acid. So, now we will discuss the uses of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. Okay students, see here reading that sulfuric acid, also known as oil of vitriol, is an important industrial acid. Some of its uses are as following. See here, sulfuric acid is used in the car batteries. It is used in the manufacturing of paints, drugs and dyes. It is used in the synthesis of fertilizers such as ammonium sulfate and superphosphate. See here, first of all, the sulfuric acid is used in the car batteries. The batteries which are there, trucks, bikes, cars, this in the batteries of this, the sulfuric acid is used. Okay students, and the another is it is manufacturing of paints, drugs and dye. This sulfuric acid is used. Okay students, means if the painting is done over in any of the home or anything, this sulfuric acid is used, and some to prepare some of the drugs, the sulfuric acid is used, and in also the dyeing industry this is used. Next is it is used in the synthesis of fertilizers. It is also used in the synthesis of fertilizers such as ammonium sulfate and superphosphate. Okay students, now going towards the nitric acid. See here, we will see the nitric acid examples. So, nitric acid, that is HNO3, So, it is used in a solution with hydrochloric acid to clean silver and gold jewelry. Means this hydrochloric acid and HNO3, that is nitric acid, both are mixed with together, and by mixing this we have to take care, because these both are strong acid. As we will mix it, then the smoke will come out, and if it will go inside our nose, then just we will feel irritating. Okay students, so we have to take care about these mixtures. So these both are mixed and used to clean the gold jewelry. Okay students, and also silver, and it is used to manufacture fertilizers such as ammonium nitrate. See here, for the preparation of the ammonium nitrate fertilizer, this nitric acid is used. Okay students, the another one is acetic acid. So let us see the acetic acid uses. Acetic acid, that is CH3COOH. Okay students, see here, acetic acid is in the form of vinegar, is used for cooking. We all know 2 to 3% of acetic acid in water is vinegar. 2 to 3% of what acetic acid in water is known as vinegar. So we use this acid in the cooking. The next is it is also used for preservation various fruits and vegetables in form of pickles, sauce and ketchup. It check the growth of the microorganisms within the preserves. Acidic conditions slow down the microbes activity and can also kill them. So, this acetic acid is also used for the preservation of fruits and vegetables in the forms of ketchups, sauce and pickles. Okay students, and next used is it is present in several cleaning agents using for cleaning windows, floors and utensils. It is also used for removing stain from the wooden furniture and carpet. So, it is also used in some of the cleaning agent. Okay students, cleaning reagent of it for the cleaning of windows, floors and utensils. It is also used for removing stain and from wooden furniture and carpets. Okay students. Now going towards the next point, that is basic substance. Now we will see the basic substance. So, and here there is an, let's answer in the page number 59 that you have to do by your own at home. Okay students, and in next video we will see that now we will start with our new topic, that is basic substance. Basic substance. So, first of all, what are basic substance? In the acidic substance, we all know the substance which contains the acid are known as the acidic substance. So, what are basic substance? So, we will write the definition: substance that contains base are called basic substance. Substance that contains base are known as basic substance. See here, bases are generally bitter in taste and slippery to touch. We have seen these basic, if you touch this basic substance, it is slippery. Okay students. So, some common bases are sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH twice, and which are laboratory reagents. They are manufactured from mineral substance, corn, starch, fresh egg white and baking soda. Baking soda means sodium bicarbonate are some naturally occurring bases. They are obtained from the plants and animal sources. Okay students. And now we will see the properties of base. See here, property of base. So, let us see the properties. So, properties. In the property, we all know the acids are sour and the bases are bitter. Okay students. So, first property is almost all bases are bitter in taste. Almost all bases are bitter in taste. Bitter in taste. Okay students, almost all bases are bitter in taste. And our next is solution of bases feels slippery to touch. This can be tested with an household base such as soap or baking soda solution that can be applied on hand and rubbed to fill the slippery touch. Okay students, for if you want to see the base slippery, then you can see the soap. Soap contains basic substance. The soap is very slippery, we know that. So our next point is solution of bases feel slippery. To touch. Okay students, solution of bases feel slippery to touch. The next is some bases such as ammonia have a strong odor that can irritate the eye, skin, nose and throat. See here, if there is an ammonium solution, okay students, if you just inhale that ammonium gas or ammonium solution, then you feel irritating, your eyes will be irritating, your skin gets irritating. Okay students, so this is our next point, that is it have a strong odor that can irritate the eyes, skin, nose and throat. So this is our another point, and next let us see the another use, that is bases can also be highly reactive and therefore corrosive. So bases are also corrosive. Okay students, writing that point on the board. Bases can also be highly reactive and corrosive Okay students, the strong bases are highly reactive and corrosive in nature, and the last use of the base is bases may or may not be soluble in water. Bases that are dissolved in water are called alkalis. Some examples of alkalis are sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, and ammonium hydroxide, that is NH4OH, and potassium hydroxide, that is KOH. Okay students, these are some of the properties of base. And in the next video we will see these strong bases and weak bases and uses of bases. Okay students, so now please write down your homework. So your today's homework is you have to read basic substance. And you have to also do the, let's answer in the page number 59. In your homework. Okay students, up till then stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye students.